Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today video I will show you how to clone the app using the third party app. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So first we need the app. Just go to Play Store if you use in Android, and you just type doll space 1 second. I'm gonna choose this one, 2 accounts, you can see here. And so if you don't have it, you need to install, but I already installed. Just open, right? Just open it. Okay, so just because I already installed the app and installed the clone app already, so we're gonna clone another app. So for example, I can delete this one, for example, right? So you need to click the plus button at the here, and you're gonna choose which app you're gonna clone. I'm gonna clone messengers, so it start cloning. Just wait for the end. Alright, so it cloned successfully. You can see here this messenger. So I have 3 messengers, 1, 2, and another one inside the third-party apps here. So we're gonna open. Alright, it's done. So you can see, right? So we're gonna, I don't want to connect it. I have a messenger already. So yeah, it works. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys like this video and subscribe our channel for next video update. Thank you, bye bye.